Hello friends, this is Sachin Gupta here, Senior Technical Analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and today we are going to cover the weekly outlook on commodity market. So let's start with the bullion first. As during the week we witnessed a further correction in gold and silver prices. Gold prices fell more than 4% over the week and finally managed to close near around 46,800 levels on the Friday trading session. If we focus on the technical chart, so yes, there is a more downside is expected in the upcoming week as gold has breached the very important support levels and trading below that levels only. So we are expecting the downward momentum towards the level of 46,000 800 46,500 and 46,300 levels. However, on the higher side, if again price managed to sustain above 47,200 levels, then only we can expect the upside momentum towards the level of 47,700 and 47,900. Now come to the silver. Silver is also slipped down more than 6% during the week from the prior close of 72,000, and during this week the price settled near around 67,580 levels with 6% of downfall. Silver has also breached the major support levels of 69,000 and trading downside. So we are expecting the more downward momentum in the upcoming week. If silver prices manage to sustain below 67,500, then we can expect the downside target towards the level of 66,500 and 66,000. However, on the higher side, if again price manage to close above 69,000, then only we can expect the further upside till the level of 70,500 and 71,000. Now we come to the energy. So in the energy sector, first talk about the crude oil. As crude has shown a good upside momentum during the week. Price has gained more than 3% over a week from a prior close of 5200, and finally the price has settled near around 5310 on the Friday trading session. On the technical chart, the crude is still looking bullish as prices are continuously rising from last couple of days, which is indicating the more upside momentum. And if we talk about or we focused on the fundamentals, so yes, the fundamentals are continuously supporting the prices, due to which we are looking a good upside momentum, and we witness the further upside momentum in the crude oil prices. So for the upcoming week we are expecting the upside momentum to be continued till the level of 5500 and 5600 levels. However, on the higher side 5600 would be the immediate or resistance levels. However, on the high downside, if again price manage to close below 5200, then only we can expect the is further profit booking in the counter towards the level of 5100 and 5050 levels. On the downside, there is a major psychological support at around 5000 levels. Now come to the natural gases. Natural gas prices has slipped almost 1.5% during the week from the high of 246, and from that levels we witnessed the further profit booking, and finally the price has settled near around 238.90 levels on the Friday trading session. If we talk about the technical chart, so yes, there is an immediate support at around 233 levels. If price manage to sustain below that levels, then only we can expect the further correction towards the level of 225 and 222 levels. However, on the higher side, if again price manage to close above 243 levels, then we can expect the upside momentum, and on the higher side it may test the 250 and 255 levels. So either side breakout will decide the direction of natural gas for the upcoming week. Now come to the base metals. As almost all of the base metals has shown a downfall, or we can see the bloodbath during the week. Copper prices crashed more than 7% during the week, and prices finally managed to close near around 694 levels. If we talk about the major support, so yes, there was a very important levels at around 730, and prices breached that levels during the week. After that we witnessed a further correction. On the technical chart, still we are expecting the more downside momentum till the level of 680 and 675 levels. However, on the higher side, if again price managed to sustain around 715, then only we can expect the further pullback till the level of 725 and 730 levels again. During the upcoming week, we are expecting the downside momentum, and we are suggesting the traders to sell on rise strategy can be followed in the copper for the upcoming week for the downside target of 680 and 675. Now come to the zinc. So zinc has also slipped more than 5% during the last week. Price has closed near around 230 levels, as it was a sharp correction after made a high of around 244 levels, and after that we witnessed a continued correction in the counter. On the daily chart, there is an immediate support at around 228 levels. If market managed to sustain below that level, then this correction to be continued towards the level of 222 and 218 levels. For the upcoming week, we are expecting the more downside momentum for the downside target of 218. However, on the higher side, if again price managed to sustain around 238 levels, then only we can expect the further pullback till the level of 242 and 244 again. Now we'll talk about the nickel. So nickel has also slipped more than 5% during the week. Price has made a high of around 1359, and after that we witnessed the sharp correction in the counter. On the Friday trading session, the price closed near around 1274 levels. On the downside, there is a support at around 1250 and 1230 levels, although the major support at around 1230 levels, and technically the nickel counter is still looking weak, and we are expecting the downside momentum for the upcoming week towards the level of 1240 and 1230. However, on the higher side, if again price sustain above the level of 1310, then only we can expect the upside momentum. Otherwise, before that, the downside momentum to be continue for the upcoming week. Now we'll talk about the LAD. So there is an immediate support at around 168 in the LAD. However, on the higher side, 173 is the resistance level for the upcoming week. If price manage to sustain above 173, then only we can expect the upside momentum till the level of 176 and 178 levels. We'll talk about the aluminium. So aluminium is also looking weak on the charts, and on the Friday trading session it has closed near around 190.45 levels. On the downside, there is a support at around 186, which is the immediate support level, and if price managed to sustain below 186, then the downside correction to be continued towards the level of 182 and 180 levels. However, on the higher side, if again price managed to sustain above 195, then only we can expect the rally towards the level of 200 and 202. So that's all for this week. Thank you and happy trading session.